What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another video. I hope you guys are okay. I hope your loved ones are okay. Today I have a nice little treat for you. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. I hope you enjoy them. So first one up is from Jada Toys, Dub City Old School. We got a 59 VW Custom Bug in a candy apple red. Check that out, guys. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece. The paint job is very good quality, as well as the chrome rims and the rubber wheels. You can't go wrong with these guys. I mean, they're a little bit pricey, but they are well worth it. I highly recommend them. Alright, guys. Next one up is another Jada Toys Dub City Customs. And this is a 300C Chrysler highway patrol vehicle. Check that out, guys. As I've shared with you guys quite a few times, I'm a huge sucker for police vehicles, so I found this one, fell in love with it, and the rest is history. So here we go, guys. Next one up is another one from Jada Toys, V-Dubs. Check that out, guys. It's a 49 Volkswagen Muller cabriolet. Nice little teal color convertible. Check out that surfboard. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Love the detail on the front, you know, that chrome bumper there. Check out the teal color inside the rim with a nice little chrome hubcap there. Pretty cool. As I said, guys, I mean, these are a little bit pricey. Unfortunately, they are no longer out in stores, but you could find them, you know, online. You know, just do a Google search and you could find them. They're a little pricey, but I'm telling you guys, these are, you know, these are pretty good quality. Paint job, the detail, everything is really, really cool. Next one up. It's another Jada Toys Dub City Old School, and this is a 62 VW bus. Check this out, guys. Very, very nice piece. You know, I'm a little bummed that these cars are no longer in production. I mean, these are really, really cool pieces, and I really, really regret not buying them. You know, when they were putting them out in the stores for a lot less than what I'm paying for these now. But you know what? You live and learn, man. What can we do? Check this out, guys. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong with the detail on these pieces. Well worth the money, guys. Don't remember exactly how much I paid for these, but yeah, they're a little pricey. Next one up. Bang. It's a 1979 Chevrolet Scholastic Chevy Sport in a nice little pink color with a black trim there on the side of the door and on the hood. It also has a nice little pencil stripe, a white pencil stripe there along the hood. Very, very cool. Check out the detail on the rim. It's got the nice little 5-spoke rims in black. And it says Goodyear on the tires, front and rear. The only drawback on these guys, in my opinion, is the size of the wheels. I've noticed that the size of the wheels on these are very are kind of skinny, you know. And I really wish that they would be a little bit you know, wider. It's a little hard to tell how wide the wheels are on the back of this piece, but you know, from what I've seen on the M2 models, you know, the tires are usually pretty thin. But anyways, guys, I'm very excited. You know, I found this one also online. You know, these are very hard to find, as you all know. You know, Chevy squareback models are very, very sought out for, so I was lucky to find one at a very decent price, so I picked it up, And here we are. Alright guys, next one up. This is from Greenlight Hollywood series. It's the Fall Guy Stunt Association. This is a 1982 GMC K2500. Check this out, guys. Very, very cool. So there's a little story on this one, guys. I bought it, and when I received the first one, you know, the package was damaged. You know, the sides, you know, the back. So I contacted the seller right away, and you know, he was nice enough to send me a replacement, and this is the replacement. So I asked him, hey, do you want me to send you the other one back, the damaged one? And he's like, you know what, man, go ahead and keep it or discard it. Do whatever you want with it. There's nothing I could do with it. I have no use for it. So I decided to get rid of the packaging and open it up. So here you go, guys. Here it is, unopened. Very, very cool. I love the wheels. Nice little rubber wheels there. Pretty cool. Check out the detail on the back there. Pretty cool. It says GMC. And you can see a little something on the plate. It says Fall Guy, I believe. Yeah, Fall Guy is what it says. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I saved the best for last. This is a Father's Day gift that my wife gave me. It's a Greenlight green machine. The John Wick 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Check that out, guys. I just received this one today. So it's kind of like a belated Father's Day gift, but you know what? I'll take it, man. This is a very, very nice piece. I'm a huge John Wick fan. I love all the movies. Of course, you know, the vehicles in the movies are pretty cool. But you can't go wrong with Mustangs, man. Especially if it's a green machine. Really, really cool. I'm very happy. Thank you, babe. I love you. This is one of the best Father's Day gifts I've ever received. So I'm very happy I got this, and I'm very happy to share it with you guys. So if you guys like the video, do me a favor, please smash that like button. I've noticed the lack of likes on my videos, and I would greatly appreciate it if you guys really you know, start mashing that like button. That way I could get my my views numbers up. So anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of your weekend. You guys stay safe. God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time, man. Take care. Later.